Imagine the vast fields stretching out as far as the eye can see, where thousands of hands work tirelessly under the sun to harvest an astounding amount of vegetables. From crisp lettuce to juicy tomatoes, the process of bringing these fresh veggies from the earth to your plate is nothing short of incredible. But how does this massive operation work? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the fascinating world of American farm workers and revealing the secrets behind how millions of tons of vegetables are harvested each year. Buckle up as we explore the high-tech machinery, the hard work, and the challenges that shape this crucial part of our food system. Vegetable farming in the United States is a colossal industry, producing millions of tons of fresh produce each year. From the rolling fields of California to the greenhouses of Florida, American farms supply a significant portion of the nation's vegetables, contributing to both local markets and global exports. This extensive network of farms is essential not only for feeding the country, but also for supporting countless jobs and fueling the agricultural economy. The scale of this operation is staggering, involving vast amounts of land, resources, and labor to ensure that fresh vegetables are available year-round. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate process behind harvesting these vegetables, uncovering the blend of human effort and technological innovation that makes it all possible. We'll explore the methods farm workers use, from manual picking to sophisticated machinery, and discuss the challenges they face, such as labor shortages and economic pressures. By understanding the technology and techniques involved, we'll gain a greater appreciation for the hard work that goes into getting those crisp vegetables onto our plates. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The harvesting process. Before the first vegetable is harvested, meticulous pre-harvest preparation is crucial. This starts with soil and crop management practices designed to ensure optimal growing conditions. Farmers test soil quality and adjust nutrients to create a fertile environment for plants. Crop rotation is also used to maintain soil health and prevent pest buildup. Seasonal planning plays a significant role as well. Farmers consider the timing of planting and harvesting to align with seasonal weather patterns, ensuring that crops are picked at their peak of ripeness. Weather considerations, including temperature and rainfall, are carefully monitored to prevent issues like frost damage or excessive moisture that could affect the yield and quality of the produce. Certain vegetables, such as tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers, are typically harvested by hand due to their delicate nature or the precision required. Manual harvesting involves workers carefully picking the produce to avoid damage and ensure quality. This process is labor-intensive and requires significant skill, as workers must identify the right ripeness level and handle each vegetable gently. Farm workers often share stories of their daily tasks, highlighting the physical demands and the camaraderie developed among the crew. Their experiences underscore the dedication and hard work involved in maintaining the high standards required for fresh market vegetables. In contrast to manual harvesting, mechanized harvesting has revolutionized the efficiency and speed of the process. Modern harvesting machines, such as combine harvesters and specialized vegetable pickers, have been designed to handle large volumes of produce with greater precision. These machines can perform tasks like cutting, sorting, and packing, significantly reducing the need for manual labor. For instance, combine harvesters are equipped to efficiently gather crops like corn and wheat, while specialized pickers are tailored for vegetables like carrots and potatoes. This mechanization helps farms manage larger operations and meet the high demand for vegetables. Advancements in technology have further enhanced the harvesting process. GPS-guided equipment, for example, allows for precise navigation and field mapping, optimizing harvesting routes and reducing wasted time. Automated systems equipped with sensors can detect the ripeness of fruits and vegetables, ensuring that only produce at the ideal stage is harvested. These technological innovations not only improve efficiency, but also contribute to better crop management and reduced labor costs. By integrating these technologies, farms can achieve higher productivity and better manage their resources. Despite the advantages of mechanization, there are still significant challenges in the harvesting process. Labor shortages are a major issue, as the demand for skilled workers often exceeds the supply. This shortage can lead to delays and increased costs, impacting the overall efficiency of harvesting operations. Additionally, economic pressures such as fluctuating market prices and rising operational costs pose further challenges. Farms must continually adapt to these pressures by finding innovative solutions and improving their practices to remain competitive. Looking ahead, the future of vegetable harvesting will likely continue to evolve with technological advancements. Innovations such as robotic harvesters and AI-driven analytics promise to further enhance efficiency and precision. As the industry faces ongoing challenges, including labor shortages and economic fluctuations, the integration of new technologies will play a crucial role in sustaining and advancing vegetable harvesting practices. These developments will ensure that farms can continue to meet the growing demand for fresh produce while addressing the complexities of modern agricultural practices. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Technology and innovation. Recent advancements in harvesting technology have significantly transformed the way vegetables are collected from fields. Innovations in machinery, such as automated harvesters and advanced sorting systems, have greatly improved efficiency and productivity. Modern harvesters are now equipped with sophisticated sensors and algorithms that allow them to detect and pick vegetables with high precision. For example, robotic arms and conveyor belts. In some systems can handle delicate produce, like tomatoes, without causing damage, thanks to their gentle touch and adaptive technology. These advancements not only speed up the harvesting process, but also reduce the reliance on manual labor, addressing some of the industry's labor shortages. The rise of automation and robotics has had a profound impact on vegetable harvesting. Automation has streamlined many aspects of the process, from planting and monitoring crops to the actual harvesting. Robotics can now perform tasks that were previously manual and labor-intensive, such as removing weeds or sorting vegetables based on size and ripeness. These technologies enhance overall efficiency and allow farms to manage larger volumes of produce with fewer workers. Moreover, the use of drones and aerial imaging provides real-time data on crop health and growth, enabling more targeted and effective harvesting strategies. Data and analytics have also become crucial in modern farming, helping to optimize harvesting schedules and techniques. By collecting and analyzing data on weather conditions, soil health, and crop yields, farmers can make informed decisions that maximize their productivity. The integration of AI and machine learning further enhances precision farming by predicting crop performance and identifying the best times for harvesting. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data to forecast yield quantities, detect potential issues, and recommend adjustments to improve outcomes. Together, these advancements not only make vegetable harvesting more efficient, but also pave the way for smarter, data-driven agriculture. Challenges faced by farm workers. The physical demands of harvesting vegetables are substantial and often grueling. Farm workers endure long hours under the sun, performing repetitive tasks that can lead to physical strain and fatigue. Activities such as bending, lifting, and carrying heavy loads require significant physical strength and endurance. This strenuous work can result in musculoskeletal injuries and other health issues if proper ergonomics and safety practices are not followed. Training programs and safety measures are crucial to minimizing these risks, teaching workers proper lifting techniques, and ensuring they use appropriate protective gear. Despite these efforts, the physical toll of the job remains a significant challenge for those involved in vegetable harvesting. Labor shortages represent another major challenge for the vegetable farming industry. Many farms rely heavily on seasonal and migrant workers, and recent years have seen a decline in the availability of these labor sources. Factors contributing to this shortage include immigration policy changes, lower wages, and the increasing difficulty of farm work. The impact of these shortages is profound, leading to reduced harvests and increased costs. In response, the industry has been exploring various solutions, such as improving working conditions, offering better wages, and investing in labor-saving technologies. Government policies and worker programs aimed at addressing these shortages also play a critical role in supporting the industry and ensuring a stable workforce. Economic pressures add an additional layer of complexity to the harvesting process. Fluctuating market prices for vegetables can affect the profitability of farming operations, influencing decisions about which crops to grow and when to harvest. Rising costs for inputs such as fuel, labor, and equipment further strain farmers' budgets. To navigate these economic challenges, both farm workers and farmers must adapt by optimizing their practices and finding ways to reduce costs without compromising quality. Strategies might include adopting more efficient harvesting technologies, diversifying crop production, or negotiating better prices with buyers. By remaining flexible and proactive, the agricultural sector strives to manage these pressures and sustain its vital role in the food supply chain. In summary, the process of harvesting vegetables in America is a remarkable feat that combines tradition with innovation. The journey begins with meticulous pre-harvest preparation, where soil and crop management set the stage for a successful yield. Manual harvesting remains crucial for delicate crops, while mechanized harvesting, driven by advanced technology, enhances efficiency and speed. The latest advancements, including automation and robotics, are revolutionizing the industry, enabling farmers to meet high demands while reducing labor intensity. Despite these technological strides, the challenges faced by farm workers are significant. The physical demands of the job, coupled with labor shortages and economic pressures, create a complex landscape that requires ongoing adaptation and resilience. Training, safety measures, and innovative solutions are essential in addressing these challenges and ensuring the industry can continue to thrive. As you enjoy a fresh vegetable, remember the incredible efforts that go into bringing it from the field to your table. From the cutting-edge machinery that speeds up the process to the dedication of hard-working individuals who labor under the sun, the journey of vegetables is a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of American agriculture. Next time you take a bite, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary efforts that make it all possible. If you found this behind-the-scenes look at the incredible world of vegetable harvesting fascinating, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights into the world of agriculture and beyond. Your support helps us bring you more content that dives deep into the stories and technologies shaping our food systems. But don't go just yet. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the latest trends in sustainable farming practices and how they're transforming the future of agriculture. Plus, we have exciting content lined up on the role of technology in modern farming and profiles of inspiring figures in the agricultural industry. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss any of these exciting updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.